Good morning. My name is Jacob Duerrwaechter, and today we're going to be doing a design matrix going over 8 different chairs or seating areas that I've found throughout the week. The categories are going to be comfort, cost, environment impact, safety, and sustainability, social impact, function, and aesthetics. Starting off with number one, our generic office chair scores about average in all areas. Safety a little bit lower. This back of the chair is not very well designed. It's very prone to breaking, making it a safety issue. Moving on to ergonomic chair, office chair, number two example. I really like this chair. This is actually my top pick of all of the different chairs in this matrix due to the fact that it has the lumbar support, it has an ergonomic headrest, it has the ability to have a leg rest that pops out underneath it. It's all in one package. It's very sustainable. It's made out of this cloth, this mesh material. It can support up to 300 pounds. It's just very well designed chair. The lowest category it has is the social impact because it's only a one seating person, one seat sitting area. But moving on, oh, and the cost. It's very expensive. Moving on to the leather couch. Um, Very comfortable. Looks great. The function is exactly what it needs to do. Uh, it's just not very sustainable due to the fact that it's made out of leather. Um, the filling for the cushioning, the metal frame, it's just difficult to replicate. Not very sustainable. Moving on to the flight simulator chair number four. We have very robust, very durable, work-centric chair. Doesn't do very good for the social impact. It's kind of fixed in its spot. Not a lot of ability to reuse it for anything else. It scores very poorly in sustainability as well. Our picnic table that we found in our local park actually scores very low in comfort, but very well in cost, environment impact, safety, sustainability, social impact, function. It's very highly rated. It's very well designed. Can sit 8 people, made out of solid metal. Very good picnic table overall. The scenic view, the aesthetics is just fantastic. The green complements the grass. Very well designed piece of furniture, especially for the environment. Moving on to a park bench here, as you can see, it's overlooking this pond. Very well designed as well. It can support a lot of weight. It's actually made out of recycled plastics, and this is like a metal frame for the legs. Very good for function. Comfort leaves a little bit to be desired, but as far as providing the spot to enjoy the wildlife and look at the pond, it's just fantastic. You can even fish off it. Um, so very good example of good engineering for sustainability. It actually gets a 10 for using the recycled materials. Moving on to the patio chair, this is an example of aluminum frame has like a fabric mesh. Not the most comfortable thing, but it's about average. Um, Not very sustainable. As you can see, it's already kind of starting to dry rot from the Arizona sun, so it could be a little more durable. But overall, gets the job done. I think it's a pretty good bang for your money for patio furniture. Um, But moving on to the cream of the crop, this is my favorite picture as far as aesthetics. This design is made out of complete stone. It's in that park that we had the picnic table and the park bench from. And so it's going to be overlooking this beautiful pond with the mountain view behind it of the Sierra Vista area. It looks absolutely fantastic. Um, as a central fireplace and has seating for a minimum of 10 on each side, so you can get a nice, good 20 people enjoying the fire together. And as you can see, it gets a social impact of 10, function of 9, aesthetics of 10, and environment impact, the fact that it's made out of stone, scores very highly. But it is what you pay for. You get what you pay for, and the cost did suffer detrimentally. Out of all these, I personally like the ergonomic office chair, followed by the fireplace example of great designs for chairs that stand out from the rest of the group. Thank you for listening to my presentation, and I hope you have a wonderful week. Thank you.